is a belief in Miami and whether it can or cannot come back. Most of the people who are buying today, most of the people in this room, I think, are very optimistic as to what Miami's future may be, and that's ultimately what's driving it, plus the proximity and the infrastructure and all that type of stuff isn't bad. So as this started to play out in South Florida, what started to happen in a big way, you started to see these investment groups, and you started to see the banks, and you started to see everybody else pay attention. So this effectively turned into what I would call a laboratory. This is the biggest condo trading pit in the United States, in my opinion. This is simply, people are coming here to trade. They're not coming here to buy for primary residence. We did a study. We looked at the condominiums that were created and sold during the boom, 49,000 of which about 4,400 are still unsold. What we found, 9 out of every 10 unit that has been built since '03 and is now owned is not owned by somebody who's claiming a homestead. So what that means is these are second home and or investors. So this is a large trading pit. This is a place where the renters are really sort of taking off and things are going forward. So as you go from Miami, you start to branch out to other areas. And we'll get into some of the details. And I would suggest if anybody hasn't looked at the data we put in your hands, all of that is developer, what would we say? It's not censored. That's information that we pulled, we put it out there. That's the type of stuff that people don't necessarily want you to see. It's all coming off of deeds. So that'll give you real, true trading prices as to what this product's going, rather than simply some of the numbers that are being kind of thrown out there in general.